Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. That way you support me to continue to make useful content. Today I'll be talking about Chatgpt, and if you haven't heard of Chatgpt, you're sleeping on a bicycle.
Trying out Chat GPT.
So you search for openai.com and then you scroll down and you click on Chatgpt. And then it takes you to the next page. You scroll down again, you click on try Chatgpt, and then you log in or sign up. And then you can ask away. So I'm going to ask the interview question, how to deal with a difficult stakeholder. Let's see the response it generates. And the good thing about this is that you can ask any question from all the walks of life, anything you want to ask. This is really amazing. So the response is to communicate clearly, listen actively, be responsive. And this is really, really good. I like the ideas because you can then use them while you're preparing for your interview responses. Find common ground. It says show respect and professionalism at all times. Remember that difficult stakeholders are not necessarily bad people. This is really, really good. I love it.